Hey guys, hey our friends. Today we're going to draw ice cream on ice cream. So make sure you follow along. Get your art supplies. You need a marker, a paper, and something to color with. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is make a V, but with a curve at the bottom. Then you want to make sure it's same, and then I'm gonna turn my paper and make a line and connect. Then we're going to do little U shapes, and then stop at the end right here, and then make one big U. And then make some sprinkles. Four sprinkles in the middle. And then first what you're going to do is one big circle with medium sized circle and then another circle. Then make one little circle in the big circle. Another a small circle, and then color in the big circle but leave the two little circles white. And do the same thing on the next side. Then we will do one line and a sticky nut top. And now for the last part, we are going to do one diagonal line all the way there, and then make one line right there. But then we'll make the same thing and do some lines to make the ice cream cone look more realistic to real. Alright, now the most favorite part is color. So I am going to get a green gray, sand, sky blue, pastel pink, and cobalt blue. Those are all the colors I need. So first, what you want to do is, I'm going to outline this ice cream because it's vanilla flavor. Okay, now we'll put that away. Now we are going to the pastel pink and color just two of these pink. And then now we will color in the sky blue like this. And make two of the sprinkles also sky blue. So now for the sand, we are going to color in the cone. We're almost done coloring in the cone. Now for the Colgate blue, we will color in that little sprinkle and also the top. And I'm going to draw one more thing, but it's only going to be black, so get your marker ready. So first we are going to draw a circle right here. Then draw two little circles and a big circle and call that it. Now make one line and two little lines on the bottom, like upside down V. Now we will put two lines holding the ice cream, and that man is trying to eat it. So that's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and comment down below what I should draw in the next episode. Bye.